Triadelphia Volunteer Fire Chief David Patterson says his squad was heading to help in Valley Grove Saturday night as rescue calls started coming in. While Patterson and others were out on calls, his assistant chief was at the headquarters. Patterson says she watched the floodwaters washing away cars and debris when suddenly she heard a noise inside. The floodwaters pushed through the entire building, leaving water, mud, and a major mess in its place. The department will look to get state funds to replace everything that was ruined and make repairs to the building. But it's not just their workplace that was damaged. Most of Patterson's department also suffered personal losses that they haven't even been able to deal with as they try to keep up with the devastation throughout the town.